My name is Jemima Allery. My maiden name was Jemima Mary Ann Blackburn. Let me tell you my deep story. I was born in Christchurch, London on 17th of December 1852. Our family lived at 7 Jane Street, Christchurch, London. My parents were Thomas Pamp Julius Blackburn and Eliza Jessie Watson, both from the county of Surrey in England. I married Samuel John Allery at the St. George the Martyr Church in Surrey on 13th of September 1884. I was 37 years old and a spinster. Sam already had 6 children with his first wife Mary Ann Hall. I gave birth to 6 sons, Dave, Frank, Benjamin, Sidney, Ernest, and Edward. They were all employed in the building and decorator industry, and 5 of them served time in World War I. I was immensely proud of my boys. When Samuel John died in 1922, he left me a substantial legacy and the ability to live into my 90s in relative comfort, at number 196 Commercial Road, Peckham. Although I was a late starter in motherhood, my family legacy has grown, and I am happy to have lived a fortunate life.